This is T-spine mobility with a foam roller. So I'm going to be using this foam roller, which is on the smaller side. There are some much larger ones out there that are greater in length, and you can certainly use those. I would say the most important thing about your foam roller is you want it to be firm. So this is solid on the inside. It's got a solid inside frame, but the outside has a little extra cushion on it, which I really personally like because when I do need to use this to mobilize my mid-back, which is your T-spine or your thoracic spine, we're moving this over the top of bone. So in the back, we have these spinous processes, which will be coming into contact with this. And the extra layer of cushion on the outside just makes it more tolerable, makes it comfortable. I enjoy this, so you should enjoy this too. So you have your choice of foam rollers out there. Okay, so all you're basically going to do is you're going to put this underneath your mid-back and we're going to roll backwards and forwards over the top of it. I like to put my hands here on the back of my head/neck, I guess, and just support the head because otherwise, it can cause some neck discomfort. So we're supporting the head as we're doing this. This position also gives you a little extra opportunity to move backwards over the foam roller if that feels like something that would be good for you. And you'll know that once you're over this. You may feel a sensation like something wants to pop, in which case that's what this is for. I'm going to do this here in a second, and you may hear some pops and crackles, and those are just cavitations in the spine because this is helping to improve range of motion in your spine. So let's give it a go. So we've got this here under our mid-back. So for me, I'm starting pretty much between my shoulder blades. Hands are behind the head, and we're going to lift our butt and we're going to roll up and down. So you'll notice I'm staying in the mid-back. I'm avoiding the neck. I'm avoiding the low back. And here's what I'm talking about, where you can lift your butt a little bit, take a big breath in, breathe out, and you can kind of relax backwards over the foam roller. This is something that is going to benefit you by doing maybe 15 to 30 seconds. You're not doing this for very long at all. We're just trying to mobilize the joints. We're trying to get some cavitations, maybe some pops and crackles, get things loosened up. And that is your mobility exercise using the foam roller for your thoracic spine.